How to use OneDrive for business. So first is first, you have to go to Microsoft OneDrive. Click this one. If you don't have an account yet, you need to sign up or create an account. But if you have your account already, then all you need to do is to click login or sign in. So basically, this is your Microsoft, and in your Microsoft account, you need to simply verify that you're the one who's using your Microsoft because Microsoft is kind of strict when it comes to logging in. Now, here, what you can do is go to the application and then tap on OneDrive. Basically, Microsoft offers OneDrive for Business. This one is Microsoft's cloud storage platform designed for work and organizations. It lets you store, access, share, and collaborate on file securely from any device, and it's part of Microsoft 365. So, OneDrive for Business works. This one is not for free. You need to upgrade your plan in order for you to unlock this feature. This includes upload files, share links, sync files, and collaborate, work on the same file as teammates in real time. So the benefits of using OneDrive for Business: access files anytime, anywhere, secure backup, work seamlessly with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, and Outlook, real-time collaboration with your team, and reduces email attachment and duplication. So all you have to do is to simply upgrade and then sign up for business, OneDrive Business, and then you can basically collaborate in real time. You can open a Word, Excel, PPT, share it to invite others, see each other's changes live. This is great for teamwork, reports, and shared documents. So everyone has the access of OneDrive on mobile. Everyone also can restore files and check version history and can manage storage and security settings. So basically, this is how to use OneDrive for business. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.